Hello, beautiful people. I'm Crystal Nicole, owner of KN Beauty, where I sell handmade hair care products for healthy hair growth and retention. Today, I'm going to show you how to make a creamy moisturizing shampoo, so keep on watching. Keep it juicy, juicy. I eat that lunch. She keep that booty, booty. She keep that plump. That natural beauty, beauty. Yeah. Here we have phase A, also known as our water phase, which contains distilled water and wheat protein. Wheat protein is a great ingredient to add to any hair care product because it nourishes, strengthens, and helps retain moisture. Moving on to phase B, we will start by making what's called a slurry. All you need is your thickener of choice and vegetable glycerin. Here I'm using Xanthan Gum because it's an all-natural thickener that provides slip and it's easily available at your local grocery store or on Amazon. Doing this is going to make it easier to incorporate into our water phase without having chunks of xanthan gum in our mixture. Now it's time to add our surfactants together. This is what's going to give your shampoo its cleansing, foaming properties. My first two cleansers are very mild, natural, plant-based surfactants that are sulfate-free, meaning they won't strip your hair of its natural oils, leaving it dry and brittle. My last surfactant is a mild, high-foaming cleansing agent. This is what's going to give your shampoo that great lather we all know and love when it comes to shampoos. Be advised, this surfactant is a fine powder that when inhaled can irritate your lungs, so you must be in a well-ventilated room with a respirator when working with this ingredient. Once all our surfactants are mixed together, it should look something like this. A nice creamy jelly consistency. Now we're going to hand mix phase A and B together until everything is well blended. For phase C, this is going to be our oil phase. And in this phase, we have our emulsifiers and emollient. Our emulsifiers are going to be BTMS 25 and Cetearyl Alcohol. Both are going to make sure that the water and oil blend together without separating, while providing moisturizing and conditioning properties for this shampoo. I chose to use this hair growth oil blend from KN Beauty for this formula because this lightweight oil nourishes, repairs, and stimulates hair growth with over 20 essential oils, including rosemary, tea tree, lavender, carrot seed oil, and many more. If you don't have this hair growth oil, feel free to use any oil that works best for your hair. After you have phases A, B, and C completed, you're going to place them on the stove in a water bath on low heat until everything is melted. And after about 15 to 20 minutes, it should be ready, and we're just going to pour phase C into our phase AB mixture, and with the help of our immersion blender, we're going to blend everything together until it has completely emulsified so that our oil and water phase don't separate and are one with each other. Even though our shampoo is still piping hot, it has thickened into this creamy, beautiful consistency. So while that cools, we're going to work on our cool down phase. This is where we'll put together our heat sensitive ingredients. First is vitamin E, which is a great antioxidant. This is going to help prevent your oils from oxidating and keep them from going rancid. Next, I'm adding sweet orange essential oils not only for its nourishing vitamin C and antiseptic properties that fight dandruff while promoting healthy hair growth, but also to add a sweet citrus scent to our shampoo. And lastly, I'm adding a broad spectrum preservative, which is definitely needed in this formula since it has water and you don't want any mold and bacteria growing in your shampoo. So now that our shampoo has cooled down below 100 degrees Fahrenheit, we can add in our cool down ingredients and mix until everything is well incorporated. Off camera, I did already adjust the pH to a safe level to be used on the hair, which is anywhere from 4.5 to 5.5. If you would like a video of me showing you how to lower and raise the pH of any product, leave a comment down below. And there you have it, a creamy, moisturizing, hydrating shampoo that nourishes your hair and has a beautiful, dense foam that I will demonstrate for you guys. Here's what the final consistency turned out to be. Super rich and creamy and soft with the perfect amount of slip that lathers so easily. Now, of course, you will have more foam in your hair as opposed to doing it with your hands, but I really wanted you guys to see how well this shampoo lathers. If you want to see how this shampoo works on my type 4 curls, check out my Instagram at @BKMBeauty. And if you also want to support my small business and purchase a more advanced version of this formula, go to my website, kmbeauty.org, where you can purchase handmade hair care products that grow your hair longer, thicker, and healthier by using safe, natural ingredients. Our full website restock date is March 24th, so save the date so you don't miss out. Well, that's it, you guys. I hope this video helps anyone wanting to make their own moisturizing shampoo. Give it a try and let me know how it turns out for you. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see you in my next video.
Straightening, yeah, straightening, yeah. Don't not get strained but straightening. Don't not get strained but straightening. Don't not get strained but straightening. You don't get shit straight, you don't straighten it.